How to find messages stored media on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate all the images and media shared in your conversations on your Android device. First, open the Messages app on your Android device. After that, open the conversation of the person whose media you want to find. From there, tap on the profile icon or the contact name at the top of the chat to open the conversation details. At this point, you'll see various options and information about the conversation. In the next step, scroll down and look for the Images or Media section. Following this, tap on it to open a full gallery view of all the photos and media that have been shared in that conversation. Once done, scroll through to find any specific image or file you're looking for. From here, tap on any image to open it in full view. Finally, tap the download or save icon to save any media directly to your gallery if needed. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you find your stored media and messages, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.